Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Redmi A5 phone. It's really easy and simple. First, you have to click on settings and then you have to scroll down and you will see the option system. So here you have to click here and then you have to scroll down and you will see reset options. Click on it. Here you can reset your mobile network settings, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences and erase all data. So if you want to reset your phone factory reset, simply click here and then you have to enter your password and then it will easily erase from your system. So in this way you can reset Redmi A5. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.